Blizzard 2011.
Mary, take this off. Look.
Did you bury yourself in snow?
Yeah.
Wow, that is a lot of snow.
That's a lot of snow. It's all the way up to here, Mary. This is roughly about 4 feet. Oh, my legs are freezing. Oh.
I think I would probably drown in that snow. Alright, so this is Blizzard 2011. Now the snow has been cleared up, so look at how high that is. You can even see. Look at how the snow is compared to cars. And it continues to snow really badly. As you can tell, visibility is down. Can't even see past maybe half a block. That's a lot of snow. Now, we're going to walk to my car, but there's no way to get there. My car's across the street. So we got the snow cleared up. We have a bunch of snow. Check that out. You can tell the snow, because of the wind yesterday, it made some parts a little heavier than the other ones. Here, it's all the way up to the garage windowsill, so there's a lot of snow packed there. And it's really, I would probably get drowned there because I'm so short in snow. And then you have this much. It's even over the fence, and the fence is about up to my chest. So look at that. That's a lot of snow that's just accumulated here. Blizzard 2011. Walking down the street, and there's a lot of snow. Here, David, record me. I'm gonna get into the snow.
Pero no es un pandilla.
I'm not even at the bottom, and I'm already stuck in the snow.
This is beautiful. Look at that, Pop. You can't even see all the way down the other side. Here we go.
Are you guys gonna follow my hole?
Mary, you should try to stand next to that little pyramid right there.
We're recording, Daddy. Oh my God. I'm tired already. I'm standing on at least
Wow.
about a foot of snow because it doesn't go all the way to the bottom.